Welcome to your morning energized yoga flow. This flow is going to get you feeling good. It's going to get you feeling energized, motivated. Let's get started. Go ahead and find a nice, comfortable pose on your back. Bring the soles of the feet together. Your knees will go nice and wide. Just take a few deep cleansing breaths into the belly. Maybe out through the mouth, side out. Don't worry if the hips feel super tight this morning. Just allow them to grow heavy. Cool, and then go ahead and take a deep breath in, drawing the knees together, planting the feet flat on your mat, about hip bone distance apart, knees up towards the sky. Arms come down alongside the body, low back becomes flush with your yoga mat. Find your foundation here first, and then as you inhale, go ahead and lift those hips up high towards the sky. And as you exhale, release the hips back down. Press down through the feet. Inhale, squeeze the glutes together, lift the hips up high. And exhale to lower everything back down to the ground. Inhale to lift, squeeze the glutes. And exhale to lower them back down. Twice more. Inhale, squeeze the knees together slightly, lift the hips. And exhale to lower down. Inhale to lift. And exhale to lower down. Beautiful. This time, press down through the feet. Inhale, lift those hips up high and hold here. So you can choose to press down through the forearms, staying right here. Or maybe you hug the shoulder blades closer together underneath you, bring the knuckles together, interlace the fingertips, draw the knuckles towards the heels, and press down into the mat, lifting the hips up higher. You're here for 3 more breaths. We'll go ahead and take a deep breath in. Release the fingertips, bring them back down your sides. And as you exhale, lower the hips back down to the ground. Draw the knees into your chest. Give yourself a little squeeze here, a little hug. And then crossing one ankle over top of the other, we're going to rock and roll up the length of the spine. And do this 3 times. So rock on up, roll on down. Just getting a little momentum here. And then come all the way up to a nice seated pose. From here, you're just going to take some circles with the body. Inhale, shine the heart forward. And as you exhale, actively arch through that back, tuck the chin in. Inhale to come on forward, shine your heart forward. And exhale to arch through the back. Keep moving. Inhale forward. And exhale to come all the way back. We'll take one more circle here, one way. And then you guessed it, we're gonna reverse here, going opposite way. Don't forget to breathe, deep breath. Amazing. Finish it up. Do one more circle. And then we'll come through to a nice seated pose, sitting up nice and tall. And then let's come forward into our tabletop pose. So your wrists will come right underneath your shoulders, your knees right underneath your hips. Inhale to drop your belly, shine your heart forward. And as you exhale, actively arch through that back, tuck your chin in. Inhale to drop your belly towards the mat, shine your heart forward. And exhale to arch through your back, tuck your chin in. Inhale, draw the shoulders away from your ears for cow. And exhale for your cat pose. So take 2 more cycles of your very own cat-cow, moving with your breath. Amazing. And then in the next inhale, come all the way through to your nice neutral tabletop pose. Bring the knees in together and sink it back towards the heels. Reach your arms forward. And we're coming into a variation of child's pose. Forehead comes down towards the mat. On your next inhale, you're going to pull yourself forward. Drop the hips down, coming into a cobra pose. Hands are underneath your shoulders. Shine your heart forward. As you exhale, press on back, coming all the way into your child's pose. Inhale, pull yourself forward. Just drop those hips down. Lift the heart. And exhale, child's pose. So let's just do this a few more times. Back bends are excellent for creating energy in the body. So amazing. Let's just do one more. You can do it. And then coming all the way back through child's pose. One breath here. Perfect. And then let's just pull yourself up, coming into your tabletop pose. Walk your hands out in front of you. Curl your toes underneath. Lift the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Just take a moment here to maybe pedal the feet, drawing one knee in and then the other. Allow the head to get heavy. And then find stillness in downward facing dog. From here, you're going to lift the heels as you inhale and come all the way through to a plank pose. And as you exhale, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale to roll through, coming all the way to your plank. And exhale, downward facing dog. So there should be no adjustment of the feet here. Inhale. The stance of your downward dog is the stance of your plank. So some people draw the feet in to get those heels to touch the ground. Keep going back and forth. And your heels may never touch the ground, but they may in time. So make sure that your stance is correct rather than getting those heels to touch the ground. Okay, let's do one more. Awesome. From here, you're going to anchor that left heel down towards the ground. As you inhale, slide the right leg behind you. Bend at the knee and then stack those hips on top of each other. Keep both shoulders nice and level here. Your right shoulder is going to want to pop up. Inhale to come all the way through to your your three-legged downward dog. And then exhale, just draw that leg back into place. Anchor that right heel down. As you inhale, slide the left leg behind you. Bend at the knees, stack the hips on top of each other. Get a nice hip opening pose here. Actively try to get that left foot to your glute. Inhale, coming back to your three-legged dog. And as you exhale, draw that foot down onto your mat. Inhale, gaze forward, bend through the knees. And as you exhale, you can walk or hop your way to the top. Find a nice forward fold, bend through the knees. And as you inhale, begin to roll all the way up. Coming into your mountain pose. Exhale at the top. Feet are hip bone distance apart. Bend through those knees. As you inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, tilt over towards the right. Bump your hips to the left. Inhale to come all the way through to center. Exhale, tilt to the left. Bump your hips to the right. Inhale for center. And as you exhale, bring your hands behind you. Interlace the fingertips, drawing the knuckles down towards the floor and away from the body. Inhale to take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, fold forward. Allow those arms to come overhead. Inhale to take a deep breath in. And exhale, just release those arms down by your sides. Press down through the feet. Inhale, roll all the way up. Exhale at the top. Twice more. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, over to the right. Inhale for center. Exhale, over to the left. Inhale for center. Exhale, bring those hands behind you. Opposite thumb on top. Draw the knuckles down and away. Inhale, take a deep breath in. And exhale, bend the knees. Fold forward. Allow those arms to arc overhead. Take a deep breath in. And exhale to release the arms down by your feet, down by the sides. Press down through the feet. Inhale, roll up. Exhale at the top. Once more, here we go. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, over to the right. Inhale for center. Exhale to the left. Inhale for center. Exhale, bring the hands behind you. Interlace them, draw the knuckles down and away. Deep breath in. Exhale, fold. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, release the arms down by your sides. Inhale, roll all the way up. Exhale, up at the top. Staying where you are, I'm going to come face you. Go ahead and just bring those hands to your shoulders. Draw the elbows behind you. And we're going to take a deep breath in. Twist now to your left. Inhale for center. Exhale to the right. Inhale for center. Exhale to the left. Inhale for center. Exhale to the right. So let's go back and forth. You can definitely speed it up here. The faster you go, the more energizing this is. And you want to keep your feet where they are. So the twist is coming from the belly button. Go back and forth. Back and forth. Keep going, maybe closing the eyes, noticing how The energy is starting to pump through the body. Keep going, keep going. We're here for 10 more seconds. Slow it down. Bring your hands down by your sides. Just take a hot moment to notice the energy moving through the body. Then we'll draw the hands together, place the thumbs right up to the third eye, which is that place between our eyebrows. From here, we take a deep breath in. And exhale, bow forward, and we say namaste. I hope you enjoyed your Energizing Morning Yoga Flow. I can't wait to see you again. Namaste.